Dream, a cherished aspiration, ambition, or ideal. Scape, denoting a specific type of scene. Dreams in Her Scapes is a mural that has been processed over a period of 1 year, initiating dialogue between two women practicing indigenous art forms. The mural seeks to challenge the perspective of contemporary audiences, inspiring a collective reevaluation of our approach towards ecology, as well as our connection with nature and sustainable futures, by bringing it into the urban landscape of Sassoon-Dock, a 150-year-old space in the heart of Kolaba, Mumbai, right at its tip, that finds a bustling crowd of different occupations, people from diverse backgrounds and myriad colors. One of the largest fish markets in the city, the dock is open to public with arts from artists across the world through the Start Mumbai 2017 festival, famously known as the Sassoon-Dock Art Project, and the Mumbai Urban Art Festival 2022. Miriam Badjo is an indigenous artist from Balgo, Australia.
I'm feeling proud because I'm here in India. I was in Belko, and also nun sisters. They was looking after us at the dormitory. And nobody learned me how to draw and do another art and craft. I just learned in my head. And I will learn for painting and doing another art and craft, like screen printing.
Gangubai from the Jhabua district of Madhya Pradesh is a Bhil artist.
ये माता जी का गाना है, जैसे गरबे में गाते हैं गाना, गरबा जवारे बोते हैं तब गाते हैं। बचपन में तो गांव में रहे, 15 साल में शादी हो गई, तो शादी के बाद वैसे शादी नहीं हुई थी, इसके पहले तो मेरी माँ मट्टी का काम घर में करती थी, तो मट्टी का काम भी करती थी। इसको कोठी वोठी बनाना रहे, चूल्हा बनाए, कोठी बनाए, लिपना घर का, ये सारा काम। तो ये मट्टी में खेलती खेलती नहीं, मट्टी का काम पहले मैंने किया। मेरे को ऐसे होता कि ये अच्छा बनाओ और अच्छा आगे बढ़ाओ और आने वाली पीढ़ी क्या समझे, ये अपन को ये पेंटिंग जो बना रहे हैं ये बनाना चाहिए, अपन को मिटना नहीं चाहिए।
What brings together the two artists is the element of dots, a shared symbol in both art forms, representing an interconnectedness between the two belief systems of indigenous communities in Australia and India. Dots in the indigenous art form from Australia was used for preserving sacred secrets. For Miriam, dots make the land quiver and breathe.
I did the dots with the little sticks, and the rest of them they were painting side.
हम लोग रोड दीवारों में तो उंगली से बना लेते हैं और वो पेंटिंग बनाते हैं अपने सीट में और कैनवस में तो ब्रश से ही करते हैं।
The dots in Bhil art present patterns that could be made to represent ancestors. For Gangu, it's a form through which she can represent her love and association with her community. Symbols including a mahua tree, a kingfisher, footsteps, fishes, human figures walking, all come together to break open a portal of dream scenes as imagined by the artists.
गांव में यही वाला महुआ का पेड़ ज़्यादा करते हैं। रात को उठ के लोग क्या चले जाते हैं महुए के नीचे महुआ बीनने के लिए।
In the spirit of Indian-Australian cultural camaraderie, the two artists present Dreams in Her Scapes, asking, what role does folklore and dreaming play in the urban scapes? What desires get unfurled through the realities that aren't often talked about, seen and heard?
She was special lady, and and I like his painting.
हमारा काम उनका काम एक हो गया, बढ़िया लगा।